You're on the road with the SOS crew.
Hello.
Jade's gonna perform a new Sirkle track right now. Snippet.
I thought I just did.
Which one you gonna do?
Love won't go away. I told you that like 13 times.
Which number is that?
I don't know. That was always love won't go away.
Sing it.
Sure did. Never listen to what they say. Everything's gonna be okay. 'Cause love won't go away. Love won't go away. And I seem to feel, yeah, I got the pain. When I cried your tears, and when you're playing loud, but no one seems to hear. You're moving far away, I'm trying to draw you near. You look deep in the mirror, but can't find yourself. Sorry by the words that you find your wealth. Haters everywhere, so I should love myself. And if God's your creator, you're like no one else. Today's your day. Never listen to what
do you think about that, buddy?
I
I don't know about that.